Every successful construction project begins with thorough site preparation. This crucial phase sets the stage for everything that follows. Let's walk through the key steps involved in preparing a construction site. Site cleanup is the very first step. This involves removing old debris, vegetation, rocks, and any remnants of old structures. Not only does this clear the area for new construction, but it also helps prevent accidents and allows equipment to move freely. Depending on the site, heavy machinery like bulldozers and excavators may be used to level the ground and clear large obstacles. Next is work planning. This means carefully surveying the site and marking out boundaries, access points, and zones for materials, equipment, and workers. Good planning ensures that tasks are scheduled logically, avoiding delays, minimizing conflicts, and keeping the project on track. Coordination between engineers, managers, and workers is essential during this phase. Material delivery must be coordinated to arrive just in time to early, and materials risk damage or theft, too late, and work stalls. Once on site, materials are stored in designated areas, organized by type and priority of use. Proper storage prevents deterioration, especially for sensitive items like cement, wood, or steel, and ensures easy access when needed. Effective site management is critical. The site manager oversees all daily operations, coordinates teams, and ensures that equipment and labor are used efficiently. They monitor timelines, handle any unexpected issues, and maintain communication with all parties involved to keep the project moving forward smoothly. Safety is non-negotiable on any construction site. Workers must wear personal protective equipment such as helmets, gloves, and boots. The site should have clear signage for hazards and safety protocols. Additionally, providing shaded rest areas, clean drinking water, and first aid stations helps maintain worker comfort and health, which improves productivity and morale. Temporary accommodations include portable offices for site management, secure storage containers for tools and equipment, and restrooms for workers. These facilities support daily operations by providing a base for administration, safe storage to reduce theft or loss, and comfortable spaces where workers can rest and recharge. Thorough site preparation reduces risks and delays, laying a strong foundation for successful construction. When a site is well organized, safe, and efficiently managed, the whole project benefits. Like and subscribe for more content on housing and construction.